How to send multiple documents from WhatsApp to Gmail. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can send multiple documents that you have received or sent on your WhatsApp to your Gmail. Now, it's quite simple and easy here. Now, head into the chat, open up WhatsApp on your desktop here. You can see I've opened up WhatsApp here. Now what you want to do is head onto the chat where you have received or sent the document. Here now you can see I've sent a couple of documents here, 3 different documents here. Now, the process is similar with the received document as well as the sent document. So I'll be showing you through the sent document as I don't have any received document here. Now, once you head into the chat, what you want to do is you want to click on Save As option. Along with the document, you'll find the Save As option. Simply click on Save As and you'll be able to browse to your computer and you can add file name here and you can save it. Now, in my case, I've already saved it. You can particularly head into every document that you want to send to Gmail and then you can save it to your computer. Once you save it, here you can see on my downloads here I have the documents here, multiple documents. What you want to do is select all the documents. What you can do is press Control button, simply click and hold Control button on your keyboard and then simply left click on your mouse on the document that you want to share. Simply left click and then head into another document and left click again and again left click and again left click without releasing the Control button. And once you select everyone, you can release the Control button. Now once you do this, what you can do is at the top of your screen you'll see the share option. You can see share icon there, or if you right click you'll find the share icon as well. Now here simply click on share icon here, and once you click on share icon you'll find various options here. You can see OneNote, Microsoft Teams, and along there you'll find the mails. Simply click on mails option here and your mails will load up, and all 3 attachments you can see added up here to your Gmail, multiple attachments. Now add in the recipient here, add in the recipient's name, and once you add in recipient's name, what you can do is simply click on send option at the top right corner of the screen. You can see the send option here. Simply click on send and it will be sent. So this way you can send multiple documents from WhatsApp to Gmail. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.